Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the library management system step-by-step tutorial. Today is part 1. In order to develop the system, I am using NetBeans. Okay, let's go to File, New Project, select Java application, click Next. If it is check on this text box, create main class, you have to uncheck it, and here you have to give the name. So I am going to give the name as library. Right. I just give the project name as S library. Right? You have to finish. Right? You can give any name here. Right? Your project name you can give. Right? I just give the name as S library. Now here your project has been created successfully here. S library. Your projects folder consists of two folders, source package and libraries. Here what I am going to do is here, first I am going to click on this source package, this one, plus sign. Here there will be the default package. Here right click, new. Here I am going to create a new package, so Java package. Here I am going to give the name as library. Just give the package name as library, right? Yes. Okay. Right. Now your new package name has been created successfully. Now select the package, right click, new. I am going to inside the package I am going to create the JFrame form. Right. Now here first form I am going to create as login. This one should be the first form, right? Class name should be I am going to create as login. Click finish. Right. This one should be your empty form, right? Here you just increase the size of this one. Right. Now this one should be the login. Login form I am connecting. I am not connecting the database. I just write the code. Okay. So what I am going to do is here, select the panel from the palette and drag on the form. Here we have to arrange like this. Now here what I am going to do is here, select the panel, right click, properties. Here I am going to the background color of the panel I am going to give as a different color like this. Click OK. Now close it. Right. Now we successfully change the color of the login here. Right. Now what I am going to do is here, I am going to go to the palette. Here I am going to drag two labels. Right, two labels. Here this label, I right click, edit text. I am going to change this one as a user name. This one user name. You have to arrange like this. We have to write the heading here. So here user name. This one should be edit text pass. Right. Now I need to increase the size of these two labels, right? So click on this label, hold on the control key down and down on your keyboard and select second password text label, right? You have to select both, right? Hold on the control key down, right? Select this both, right click, properties, font. We have to change it as a if you want to change the font style, you will be able to change. Here I am going to change it as a Times New Roman with bold, size 40. Right, click OK. Right, here it successfully changed. After that, foreground color I am going to change it as white or yellow. I am going to change it as a yellow. It's perfect. Now close it. Right, you will be able to see now. Right, now what I am going to do is here, I am going to drag the two text boxes on the palette. So yeah, this one should be the first text field. We have to drag on the form like this. Right, first one. After the second one, you have to drag here. After that, what I am going to do is here, I drag two buttons from the palette. First one, the second one. Right. Now here I am going to change the button text. Select this button, edit text. This one should be the login. you have to put the name as login. This one should be the, you have to change the text as cancel. Right, perfect. Now here I am going to change the name of these text boxes, right? So select the text box, right click, edit text. We have to remove the existing text, so backspace to remove the one, and right click again, change variable. We have to write this one as a txt username. We have to change the name of this one, right? Name is must when we are code, right? When we write the code, right? So change variable txt pass. Click OK. Right. Now here this one, default text, edit text, backspace to remove that. Right. Perfect. Now your login form will be perfect. Now I am going to go to the palette again, drag one label here. This one I am going to name it as a login. Here I am going to right click, properties, font. I am going to bold, and I am going to change the font's size little bit bigger, 24 will be enough. With font foreground color we have to white, give as a foreground as white here. Right. If you want to increase the size of the 36, it will be perfect, right? It should be perfect, right? You will, if you want, you will be able to, right? Perfect. Right. Success. This one should be your login form, right? Now here this one should be the username, this one should be the password, right? Right. Now here let's do like this. Right, perfect. Now what I am going to do is here I am going to write the code for that. If the username and password correct, it successfully visit the main form, right? Now let me see how to do the task. First what I am going to do is here, before write the code, select the package, this one is library, right click, new. I am going to create the another JFrame form. This one should be main, right? Click finish, right? Now your main form, this one should be there, right? Here I am going to write the first I am going to drag one panel, that's a must, right? Put one panel. Inside the panel we have to drag the buttons, right? We have to arrange this one, right click, perfect, right? This one right click, properties, background color, you have to change it as this color. Click OK, close it. Now we want to, right, we have to drag the buttons. This one should be right click, edit text. This one should be our this one category form, first one. After that I am going to drag another button. This one should be, we have to write as a author. After that we have to drag another button. This one should be publisher. Right. After that I am going to drag another button. This one should be book. After that this one should be member. This one should be important member. After that we need another box, issue book, another button for issue book. Right. After that we need another button for now we need another button. We have to arrange them. we need to write the heading here, right? So here, right, perfect. Right, now here I need to do the another button, that is a return book. Right, we have to drag the another button. We have to increase the size little bit. Right, now here we need another button for return book. After that we need only another button. This one should be log out. Right, this is the buttons we have to create. Now here we have to write the heading. The heading as, we have to drag the one label from the palette, and here this one right click edit text. This one we have to write as library. Right, now here this one, select this library label, right click, properties, we have to increase the size, font property, bold, with time and New Roman, increase as 24. Perfect. Right, we have to give the 26. Okay, it's perfect. 36, 36, 30, 30 will be enough. Right, that should be enough. Click OK. Perfect. That should be enough. Right, right, that's a library. Right, now here I need to write another, this one, right click, properties, we have to change the foreground color as, this one should be yellow. Right. After that we have to write another thing as a management. Okay, we have to drag another label here. This one should be, we have to change it as management. Library management. Right, this one right click, properties, this one also we have to change as bold, times New Roman 30. What is the 30? Close it. Right, perfect. Right, perfect. Now this one we have to change the name of the things. Right, this one right click, properties, foreground yellow, click OK. Right, library management system. Right, this is the heading of the things. Right, perfect. Now we successfully create the library management system main panel. This is the main panel, right? The main panel you successfully created. Now what I am going to do is here I am going to write a code for the login button. Right, if the username and password correct, login has been successfully, otherwise login failure. Right, now let's go back to our login.java. Okay, double click on this one, open it. Here select the login button, right click, event, action, action perform. Right, this one. Right, now here we have to write the code here. Right, here first we have to write these two text fields, we have to equal into the relevant variable. So how to do the task is, first I am going to create the string data type and username equal into what the text box name we gave here, right click, change variable, txt username. This one should be right click, change variable, txt pass. Right, remember these two names. Right, first one should be txt username dot getText. Right, after that string pass equal txt pass dot getText. Right, okay. Now these two, what is the value you are write on these two text boxes, this value should be assigned to these relevant variables. Okay, after that what I am going to do is here I am going to check if username, this username, right? Variable, Ctrl C copy, Ctrl V paste here. Username dot equals, we have to give the username as John, right? I just give the username as John and password, right? Pass dot equals 1 2 3, right? Username is John, password is 1 2 3, right? Now here we have to check, right? If the username and password both correct, it successfully log into the which form goes to the main.java, right? So outright main, you have to create the object as same equals main, right? Main. After that, what I am going to say is current form dot height, right? That's the thing we have to do here. Even dot set receivable true. You have to make it as set receivable true if the username and password both correct, right? Successful receipt, right? Else, if the username and password not correct, we have to go to the else part. We have right here is we have to show the error message here. J option tag dot show message dialog. This one, this you have right here is user name password do not match. You write like this, right? After that, we have to clear the text boxes. Txt username dot set text, right? Set text. After that, we have write txt pass dot setex. You have clear, right? The username and password do not match, it show the error and clear the username text box and password field text box, and cursor will be focused on the request focus on the txt username text box, right? Now let's check whether it's working fine or not, right? Let's run the program. Now we have to set it this one as a customize. First it is starting for the position of this one, login. You have to write as login, right? Click select like this, simply configuration, right? What is the name of the project? Is library. So you have to write like this, you have set like this is library dot, what is the page inside here? Login. You have to write like this. Click OK. Now you have to log in. Here it's successfully working, right? Right, here it's working. But when you run the program, it goes to run somewhere of the window, but it is not efficient way to run the program. When you run the program, this form should be at the center. That's an efficient way. So how to do the stuff is select the form, right click, not the panel, don't select the panel, select the form, right click, properties, code, generate center, close it. Now if you run the program, you will be see it at the center, right? If you write the wrong username and password, click login, username or password do not match. Okay, so all the stuff are clear, form should be clear and cursor will be focused on the username text box. Now I am going to write the correct username and password, click login. It is logging successfully, but I have a couple of changes we have to do. First one should be this text box, select and press delete key on your keyboard and delete them. This is not a password text box, right? Everyone should see your password. So we go back to our palette. You have to drag that instead of the text box, text field, you have to drag password field, right? Password field. That's the stuff you have to select this one. Edit text, backspace to remove the existing text. Here we have to change the variable as txt pass. That's it. After that we have to do another modification. Select the main, select the frame, right click, properties. This one should be code generated center, right? When the form should be displayed, it's generated at the center, right? Now let's run the project and check. John, here you will be able to see the here this is a password text box. Click login, it's logging at the center, right? It's perfect, right? I hope you guys understood so far. In my next tutorial I will continue the rest of the part. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.